Hello, everybody. So I'm here with my first impression review of the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve bonding treatment. Try to show it. Boop, 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 boop. There you go. And I'm currently deep conditioning right now. That's why I got this little cap on my head. This cap is by forgot the name of it, but I will put it in the video. It is a black owned company. I had this for a couple of years, and it's a heating cap. So it's electronic heating cap. It's pretty good. Anyways, so I decided to try this out because if you see from my previous video that I've posted where I said I might cut my hair has been, I don't know why. It seems like it's been very damaged lately, where I've been getting a lot of breakage. My hair has been split all around my head, no matter how much I cut my hair. I gave myself a really big haircut at the beginning of 2025 in January because I wanted to start over. But then as I'm doing my hair, I still see my hair is split in certain places. It's like, even though I'm like cutting the splits off that I see, it seems like they're coming back. I don't know. So I was saying that you'll see what I say in the video. I'm not going to reiterate it. But anyways, I want to try this out because I've seen videos of people talking about how this is a good bond repair and it's a nice alternative to the Olaplex number 3, because they said Olaplex was mainly formulated for stylists to use. So I want to try this. I got the little trial size just to make sure I liked it, so that way I'm not spending $30 on something I don't like. We've all been there before. Anyways, so first impression, I like the way it smells. It smelled really nice, and I like the consistency. It's a very creamy consistency. It's like almost like hair lotion. It's like a lotion consistency. I'll say that. It's like lotion. And it smells really good. And it looks like my video. So for my first impression, I will say I did like the way it glided on my hair. Sorry about this glare, by the way. I don't have a curtain. I do like the way that this glided on my hair. It made my hair feel really soft. And granted, my hair was not clean, I guess, so I don't know if it makes a difference. But the way I put this on as like a pre-poo treatment, so I did not wash my hair before I put this on. I put this on top of my hair as it was already, coated with leave-in and everything, so that's probably why. Maybe I'll try it again after I wash my hair to see if there's a difference, but we'll talk about it as a pre-poo right now. I use it as a pre-poo. I sat it on my hair for 15 minutes and then I rinsed it out. Now, gliding it on my hair, it was very easy. It spread very, very well. And I feel like my hair absorbed it pretty well too for it to not have been washed, which is insane. So it was like, as I'm putting it on my hair, it felt as if I didn't, like that feeling where you're like, did I put anything on? Because it's like you put a bunch in your hair, you slather it on, but then it's like, it doesn't have like a film feeling, like there's no residue. So I think that's probably a good thing. So I would say, and then when I rinsed my hair out, after I shampooed and everything, I will say my hair did not feel weak. Now, I don't know about, like how people say, like, the first use, I can tell my hair's stronger. I don't know. So, I will say my hair did not feel bad. It didn't feel crunchy, like how, I guess if you put like a protein treatment in your hair or some other bonding treatment, your hair will feel a little stiff because it's like a strengthening product. But using this, my hair did not feel hard, crunchy. It felt soft. It felt as if I put conditioner in my hair. So I do like that. So this was the first impression. I will say I'm not disappointed. I don't feel like I wasted my money yet. The next time I'm going to try this is I'll probably try this in either 2 weeks or the next month. I'm gonna see 2 weeks, just to see, because I think you could do this every 2 weeks, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna look it up. But I'm gonna keep this in for about 2 weeks. I'm gonna keep this in. I'm gonna try it again in about 2 weeks when I wash my hair in 2 weeks, and then I will see how my hair feels, and we'll see if the breakage is lessened. So we'll see.